Hey, Laura here with Toyota of Bozeman. I've got your top 5 reasons for why you should buy the Trail Premium 4Runner over all the other 4Runner models in the lineup. Let's take a look. Reason number 1, I've got to get the obvious out of the way first. It's crawl control. Crawl control is located up by your moonroof controls, HomeLink, and some of that other technology. You can actually pick what kind of terrain you're on and the car will act accordingly. This is just used for any kind of serious off-roading situation, and you can't find it on any other 4Runner. Number 2, premium means heated leather seats and moonroof. It's something that you can't get in any kind of other serious off-roading machine. It's a creature comfort that I personally don't want to live without. Number 3, another mechanical feature only available in the 4Runner Trail is the locking rear differential. Also located up top next to A-Track is your locking rear differential, and any kind of off-roader knows that that thing is really going to come in handy. Number 4 is your old school all-wheel drive system. Located behind the shifter, we've got the old school 4-wheel drive system where we can just pull it down into high 4 and of course neutral into low 4 as well. This just gives you a lot of control. The SR5 and the limited models have both gone to just a turn dial. So this is specific now to the Trail 4Runner. And lastly, purely aesthetic, reason number 5 for getting the premium Trail 4Runner of all the other 4Runners is the front grille. The front of the 4Runner Trail is as fierce looking as the actual vehicle behaves. We've got that hood scoop that's really specific to just this model. A lot of people have just loved this so far. So there's your reason number 5. For more information on the 4Runner Trail or any other model in the Toyota lineup, please contact me, Laura, directly here at Toyota of Bozeman. Thanks for watching.